Hello again, welcome back to Homeskills. Today I'm going to show you just how to change a simple push lock on a door in case it's broken or inside the spring and it's not returning, so you're not able to change it. So it's relatively simple. We had to take the handle off, so we'll start by removing the screws. There are 4 screws on most handles, could be 3. No matter, just take them and place them carefully. So, having removed the screws, we just ease the handle away from the door, get aside, and then we take out the bolt. This goes through to the other side of the handle, which we don't need to take off. So then we need to remove the screws from the actual lock itself. These are fairly small screws and they don't go in very far, it's really just to retain it. And then we just use a slotted screwdriver, usually from the top, just go inside and lever out the latch itself. So it really is straightforward. And this is the latch, and all that's inside there is a loaded spring, and the mechanism will hold up, but it's good for probably 5-10 years. But after that, you know, you really need to be replacing them. So let's take our new lock and replace this back in. And it's just a reverse sequence. Replace the bolt through the door and return the screws. It really is only a 5-minute job, and it's something that you can easily achieve at home. Replace the handle. And if you've got one of these screwdrivers, they really are a good purchase because they're a multi-unit, so you just twist it round, decide which one you want to use and push it back, and there you go. Instant change. So now you can, I recommend that you just put each one in first of all and turn it in by hand so that you go exactly back to the same place as you were before. That way it'll keep the lock in position and keep the paint line. So just snug them up. Don't over tighten them. So just tighten up the screw, just snug them, and hey presto, there you have it. It's a simple job that you can do at home yourself.